In this video, we're going to be looking at how to develop AI prompt buy selling marketplace, that's multi-seller. Example of this kind of script is Bitakon. Please kindly use the affiliate link in the description to buy this script. Let's look at some of the features. This is the demo page. Let's open it and see. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, it's still loading. This script is good for online business. Look at it, very beautiful. It's good for online business. You can sell and buy online. So after purchasing the script, I go straight to my cPanel. From my cPanel, I go to my file manager. For my file manager, I go to the subdomain I'll be using for these testing purposes. Here is the subdomain I'm using. Here is it. I've already uploaded my script. Now let me start it. Let's start files. So next I close this. Here is the starter file. Let me open it. I will select all the folder and files in it, then move them to the root folder. Select, move. So I'm moving to the root folder. Move files. Now let me click on back and copy my subdomain name. Open a new tab, paste it there, then click on enter. So all that's set, I click on next. Next I will go back to my cPanel, then my database to create my database so I can be able to fill this place. So let me go back to my cPanel, databases, manage my databases. So let me name this as Bitakon DB. Yes. Then I click on create database. After creating my database successfully, I click on go back. Next I'm going to create the user. Let me scroll down to create the user. So next I click on create user. Successfully created the user. Next I'm going to add the user to the database. Let me scroll down to add the user to the database. I make sure I select the one I just created. I click on add. I leave up privileges, scroll down to make changes. Now, successfully given privileges to the user. So let me copy my database username. Go back to my site. Database connection, this is my SQL. Okay, locals, okay. Database name. So my database name is this. Okay. Okay. So next I click on submit and next. Okay, I didn't fill this space. Let me say enter your site name. Let me see Bitakon. Okay, submit and next. So here is it. It's still loading. Now if I click on the login form, then I come here, it takes me to this place. So this is the login form and this is the home page. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. Don't forget to use the affiliate link in the description to buy the food. Thanks.